Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Waken Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add certificates to your profile on your LinkedIn. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in linkedin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official LinkedIn website, where if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your homepage, from which if you wish to add certificates into your account, click on the Me icon at the top right corner and then click on View Profile. From the View Profile menu, you will be able to add or edit your profile section. Go ahead and click on this, and now within your profile setup screen, scroll down and then click on Recommended. You will now see the Add Licenses and Certifications option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can add your certification by inputting the details related to that certificate. Type in the name of the course or your certification and enter the name of the organization that issued it. Then enter the issue date and year, followed by the expiration date if it is applicable. Then simply enter the credential ID and then enter the URL if it is available. You can also add your skills and add any media file by clicking on the respective buttons. Finally, click on the Save button and your certification will be added onto your profile as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your certificates on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.